the neighborhood because it's really cool, actually. Somewhat. I'm going to head towards the intercoastal right now, and this will actually get you to a little park called Victoria Park at the end, which I saw at night, so I sort of want to see it again during the daytime. So a lot of nice, as you can tell, homes here right on the intercoastal. Victoria Park, I think it's down this way. So I have hit the intercoastal. These are the canals on the left-hand side, which you can't see yet because it's covered by a whole bunch of tropical trees. But, oh, there's the waterway. Let me see if I can show you more of it down here at the end. So this little area, Victoria Park, apparently it's a sort of a destination, local destination, and it's right near Fort Lauderdale's downtown, which I did not know coming in, but I do now. At night, because of course the lights lit up. So here we are going over one of the little bridges across to the canal. Across the canal. This is going into a little home area, so I'm not going to stay. I'm just going to turn around to show you how close I was to all that. And I imagine if I keep on going on this and turning around, I'm going to actually head back out to the beach. So I'm not going to do that. Some new construction. I see some new homes being built as well. All waterfront properties here. Yeah, so this is the end of this one. It sort of reminds me a little bit of Corona Del Mar. So I think Mimi and Doug said that they had stayed around here similar, or at least walked this area the last time they were here, going on a cruise with her parents, because they mentioned Las Ogas and a park at the end. I don't know if it's the same park here. I don't think so. This is not the hugest park, but it is called Victoria Park with the gazebo and everything. So this way is going to take me out to where I need to go. So this, as well as, or maybe not that far, just back out to where I need to go to the Fresh Market, which is a really cool store. Prices a little similar to, I think, Whole Foods, but they still just food and great deli. So I'm going to grab my brunch there, and I will show you what that looks like, because I really like this chain, and apparently the one here is the best one of the few that are out there, according to the gal who was working behind the deli. So as you can see in the distance, that's one of the, I think, this beginning or part of downtown Fort Lauderdale. Skyrise condominium, maybe? I don't know. There's a lot of little businesses around here, like offices and medical stuff. Like right here on my left, I'm going to show it. I'm not going to show it. Dentist, orthodontist. It looks like these little homes that they have their offices in. So I guess the word I would use is charming for the neighborhood. Let me get onto the main stretch here. There's an elementary school on your right-hand side. Jewish Center. I did notice quite a few Jewish areas around here, including Jewish buffets. They're big into buffets around here. There's Indian buffets, Asian buffets. Yesterday we went to sort of a Latin, maybe Mediterranean market, I'm not sure, called Food Town. That's where we saw the live seafood. Okay, I know that we're in downtown because I can feel the atmosphere has changed. So definitely in downtown. Here's US 1. Which is parallel to the A1A that runs along the coast. And right here is going to be my fresh market. Around here, townhomes. Doing the San Fran thing. You see how there's a place to live above the actual food, or is that like a parking lot? I don't think that's a parking lot. So here's the fresh market. I really like it, so I gotta show you the inside of this market. New video.